How to remove collaborators in Asana. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of our screen and then go here under projects. So as an example, I'm going to open one of my projects, and then after that, we'll have to go here. As you can see, it is showing profile pictures of the members or collaborators of this project. So to remove a member, all we need to do is to tap on the share option, and then a pop-up menu will show us the list of members or collaborators. So to remove a collaborator or a member, all we need to do is to go on the name of the account, and then go here on the right part, and then tap on this arrow icon. And then after that, a pop-up menu will appear here. In here, you can change the position of that member or collaborator. You can change it from project admin, editor, commenter, and then viewer. And then at the bottom, if you want to remove the member or collaborator, simply tap on this option, remove from project. And as you can see, that account is automatically removed from my collaborators. So that's how easy you can remove collaborators or members in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!